Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's been a long time. Yeah, because of work, we don't get time to bring out some content to you. But we are trying our best to bring out something to you guys. So today, I wanted to talk to you about the shoot I did some, I think, months ago. Yeah, I had this concept from a blog page. I'll show you right here for you to see how it is and how we went about it. So I posted this on my page, and then um, I was having a lot of comments that how was this shot, how was this done, that whole lot of um, questions. Yeah. So I thought as much to take you through on how I came about this shot and everything. So I did this shoot with the makeup artist and the model and my team as well. So um, we did this shoot with a three light setup. Yeah, a three light setup, and the the beads and then everything, the necklace and then everything was being planned and wanted to go as we saw on the blogger's page. Okay, so on this light setup, uh, I was shooting with Nikon Z6 Mark II on the Nikon 85mm f1.8. So, and here goes the settings I was using: ISO of 100, shutter speed of 200, and aperture of 2.8. So I needed to go in one by one, and see how I will love my lights and everything. Okay. So first of all, I had a continuous light from the makeup artist, which has that kind of a warm feel. So I needed a warm feel at her cheek here. But for the first test shot, see it spreads through her face here. Yeah. So I did a test shot of the continuous light first. Then I added my speed light, which is the V850 Mark II. Yeah. So I did that also with a test shot so that I balanced them before adding my main light or my key light to it. So you see when she shifts her face to the other side, the rim has come into her chin. Yeah. So I'll be shifting her a little bit so that it doesn't fall more on her face, but give her a rim separating her from the background. Okay. So after the two light tests, I added my um, strobe, and I was using AD200 and Islog 42 inches. That's at 105 centimeters. Yeah. So this is a final touch of the whole thing. So um, this is the first light. That's the speed light. So let's see. So this is the speed light. This is the continuous light, and the strobe is somewhere else. It's at this side. Okay, the right side. Yeah. So I had this to complement each other so that I get the feel that I want. Okay. And I added a smoke to it. I borrowed the smoke from a friend photographer, and I added it to it so that it gives it a different feel. But this has been processed in Capture One. I mostly use Capture One. I find it difficult nowadays. I don't use Lightroom, So I use Capture One fully and Photoshop. Yeah, I don't use Lightroom again. So this was how it came about. Because of the fog, the smoke, it made the image look hazed. So I have to dehaze it. Okay, I have to dehaze it so that the tones and the colors and the skin will pop up. So I make some few adjustments, and this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. You see, guys. So with a little touch on what I did, it changes the whole idea of the image. Okay, so I made a touch uh, on the exposure. I increased the exposure a little bit. I touched the contrast. I added some colors to it. I reduced the highlight and I added the blacks to it. Okay, so I went to the levels. I increased my white and I brought in some blacks to at least add the blacks because the blacks were looking like gray. You see how the blacks were looking. So now look at the blacks. It has popped up. See, it has popped up, and I added a haze to it. I added like 6 figure to it so that it reduces the haze that is in the image. Okay, guys. So the before and after. So all is done. I sent it to Photoshop and did all my retouching and then my color grading and everything. And boom, that's what happened. So this is the final image. The blacks are blacks, the haze are hazed, the skin are skinning, the colors are coloring, everything is on point. Okay, so this was the final touch of the image. And these woods, someone will say, hey, you have all these kind of woods in your studio. Is this a studio shot? It's not an outdoor shot, it's a studio shot. So I didn't go to maybe a location to do the shot. I did it in the studio. So we have this kind of a branches of the trees at the back of the studio. So um, I find in the need of going out there and bringing it inside the studio to give it a creative things in it. Okay, so I'll pop up some of the images after the video so that you see how the images looks, how it was being done. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share also. And at least let me know what you want me to talk to you about so that I plan with the team, then we bring it to you time to time. Yeah, we have to stop the laziness and bring out content out for you guys. So thank you very much. See you another time. Peace out.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.